I'm gonna. I think it's because this right here is coming off. Maybe like sticks in here. I'm gonna maybe put some here or something. It didn't work because I don't know why it didn't work. There's already a lot up here. I'm not sure. All right, I'll just make a big thing of it here.
Because they send them back to the well, they said this is the way he has been trial on this side there. The wife was over there. He went back to get it.
You know what? I just stepped right here, and this whole thing right here is leaking. I think it's getting through from here. Look, it's like bouncy right here. Everything here is hard. Here is like soft. Yeah, it's not here. It's not even this spot right here. It's next to this spot. That's soft. And it's like I can tell water's getting through because it's not hard like the other parts of the roof. No, I'm gonna put this on there, which works like a patch once it gets dry. But it's not here where I'm putting so much. It's next to it. It's right here. There's a spot right here. It's really soft. Yeah, I need to put it here. Yeah, it gets through here. Mom, it gets through here because I'm telling you, this right here is where it's soft. It's not there. I mean, yeah, it's dented there, but here it's soft. I'm going to put some around here as much as I can.